Hi dear students, this is the third video about the sets, and we are going to try to understand using the sets to solve problem, and we are going to start with remembering part, which is number of elements of A. You remember that number of elements of A shown with NA, and here if we define a set like B, and which is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 7, as you see here there are 4 elements, so number of elements in the set B, it's going to be this, represent that one, that's equal to 4. So there are 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's why NB is equal to 4. It's going to be here in the question. If we continue directly with the question, in the question it shows that these are not the elements, these are the number of in that group. Let's say if there are here, if it is written 3, it means that there are 3 things here. Okay, with respect to that one, number of elements of A is equal to 3 plus 7, because here this is the circle A, and in Venn diagram this represents there are 3 here, there are 7, so that's totally 10 elements in the set A. Okay, with respect to that one, what is the B, which is 7 plus 4, that's going to be equal to 7 plus 4, that's going to be equal to 11. And number of A complement, A naught, which is A naught also. Here outside of A, what we have, 4n plus 5, which is equal to 4 plus 5, that's 9. And number of B naught, it's going to be outside of B. Here we have 3n5, which is 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, that's equal to 18. Pardon, 8 only. And number of A intersection B. A intersection B is the intersection part. Here there are only 7 elements, and number of A union B, it's going to be equal to whole. Here 3 plus 7 plus 4, 3 plus 7 plus 4, which is equal to 3 plus 7 plus 4, that's equal to 14 going to be. Okay, it is not asked here, but I want to ask also number of elements in the universal set, which is equal to 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5, it's going to be, which is equal to 19 going to be. Okay, if we continue with the other questions here, number of elements in the set A 14, and number of elements in the set B is 12, and intersection B is equal to 5. So we should be careful about this part here. Number of elements of set A, when it says, we mean all this part, so this part is equal to 14, it's going to be. First we need to understand that one. So with respect to this one here, always it is better to write first the intersection part, which is equal to 5 if it is given in the question. Then what is the number of elements of A? It is equal to 14. So here 5 plus, if I name like x plus 5, or let me write here x plus 5, which is equal to number of elements of A, it's going to be, and that's 14. 14 is equal to x plus 5, and 14 minus 5, it's going to be equal to x, and that's going to be equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 going to be. Here I'm going to write 9. Okay, and the last part, A, number of elements in the set B, that's 12. If it is 12, it means that if I name like this is y, here, number of elements of B is equal to 5 plus y, it's going to be, which is equal to number of elements of B, which is equal to 12. 12 is going to be, 12 is equal to 5 plus y, it's going to be. So 12 minus 5 is equal to y, which is equal to 7. 7 is equal to y, so it's going to written here 7. So the A union B, number of elements of A union B, it can be written like this. Here the 9 plus 5 plus 7, which is equal to 14 plus 7, here 9 plus 5, 14 plus 7, that makes 21. Okay, so A union B is equal to 21. It's going to be Here there are 35 girls in a sport club, and 22 of them playing badminton, 25 of them playing tennis, and 4 of them neither badminton nor tennis. So it's easy to write here, but this time intersection is not given, but it is not problem for us because we may easily find what is the others. So if I write here x plus x, y, and z, I understand that number of 22 students play badminton, it says here. So badminton shows with B. So x plus y, it's going to be equal to 22. And here we have also z. Plus z we have, and plus 4. They are all equal to 35. By the way, I will forget to write that one in the other row. Firstly, that's 22, and I know that here y plus z also, y plus z, it's going to be equal to 25 because tennis player says it is. There are 25 tennis players, and 4 of them neither badminton nor tennis. I put the signs firstly, then I'm going to find the values of x and y. Here there are different methods to find that one, but let me go step by step. First, there are 35. So this 35 is represented by firstly x plus y plus z plus 4, which is equal to 35. This is number of elements in the universal set. So x plus y plus z, it's going to be equal to 35 minus 4, which is equal to x plus y plus z, is going to be equal to 31. And here the second part is coming. Here this part I'm going to add. Instead of x plus y, I'm going to write here 21, which means 21 plus z, it's going to be equal to 31, and z, it's going to be equal to 22, sorry, 20, not 21. 22 it's going to be, and 22 plus z is equal to 31. 31 z is equal to 31 minus 22. Z, it's going to be equal to 9. Here I found the z is equal to 9. That's important. Here, if I find z is equal to 9, I know that y plus z is also equal to 25. So y plus, from this one, y plus z is equal to 25. Y plus 9 is equal to 25. And that makes y is equal to 25 minus 9. Y is equal to 25 minus 9 makes 16. Okay, this is the last part now. The last part is x plus y is equal to 22. X plus y is equal to 22. X plus 16 is equal to 22. And x is equal to 22 minus 16. And which is equal to x is going to be equal to x is going to be equal to 22 minus 16, which is equal to 6. It's going to be, I consciously find all the terms here, and also I should say here they're not asking only the all the x, y, z, they're asking the how many play both badminton and tennis, which means y they are looking for. So y is equal to 16. Actually I found there's no need to find the y value, but okay, it is because I'm going to want to show all the values here one by one. That's why the answer of the question, or let's write here y, it's equal to 6. It's going to be